Hello, class. Open your books at page 123. Today we have another test, but it is to prepare to the TOEFL Junior, and it is a speaking test. First, you are going to read about the test so as to know, to have an idea about the task. Read about these parts of the test. Then you are going to read tip 1 to help you do the activity, and then you are going to, after you read about the test on tip 1, you are going to listen to the sentences that you have here in this exercise 1, and you're going to choose which is the correct intonation pattern, A, B, or C. Remember about the rising or falling intonation, rising and falling, depending on the sentence. So you're going to listen and choose the correct one, okay? So let's listen and you tell me if the correct intonation is A, B, or C. Okay, let's listen.
Prepare for the TOEFL Junior Test. Unit 1, page 123. Exercise 1. A.
At the moment, I'm reading a book about travel.
B.
At the moment, I'm reading a book about travel.
C.
At the moment, I'm reading a book about travel.
Okay, remember that if you need to listen again, you can listen as many times as you need to, okay? Then you go to exercise 2, and here you are going to practice reading the sentence in exercise 1 using the correct intonation pattern. And after you do that, you're going to read tip number 2. Here we have an exercise about conjunctions. Conjunctions serían las palabras que utilizamos para unir las oraciones, los conectores, ¿sí? Por ejemplo, because. Some conjunctions are part of a longer clause. Algunos de estos conectores necesitan una frase, una palabra más, un sustantivo. For example, as a result of this, no puedo decir solamente as a result of, coma, while others are followed immediately by a comma indicating a pause. Hay otros que son solos, por decirles así, conectores que se usan solos, no necesitan de una frase o de una palabra aparte. Supongamos at the moment, coma, y siempre no se olviden de hacer la pausa que corresponde. Recuerden que este es un ejercicio donde van a tener que leer, entonces van a tener que tener mucho cuidado con la entonación, las pausas, los puntos y la pronunciación, obviamente. So you know the correct intonation and where to pause. After you read tip 2, you're going to put these conjunctions in the correct category. So divide them. The conjunctions followed by a comma and a pause, of course, and the conjunctions which are part of a longer clause, as for example, because of this problem, okay? So you have two different types of conjunctions. Then you're going to exercise 4. Exercise 4, you're going to listen and repeat the sentences. Before we go to exercise 2, remember that you have to do these exercises in your notebooks and you're going to send me for example, this exercise about conjunctions. Don't forget to do it in your notebooks, and then you're going to send me the picture in Google Classroom, okay? Well, now we can go to exercise 4. Exercise 4, you're going to listen and repeat the sentences, okay? So let's listen, then you're going to repeat so as to practice.
Prepare for the TOEFL Junior Test. Unit 1, page 123. Exercise 4. One.
Because of the bad weather, they stayed in and read books.
2.
These days, I read everything on my e-reader.
3.
Since she moved, she hasn't been to the book club.
Okay. So now that you have practiced in exercise 4, the intonation and the use of the conjunctions, now you are ready to go to the task in exercise 5. Now it's your turn. You're going to do the task. First, you are going to listen to and read the 3 words that will appear in the paragraph. These 3 words, they are a little bit difficult to pronounce, so you are going to practice first. You're going to listen to and read 3 words that will appear in the paragraph. Remember how to pronounce those words because they appear in the paragraph, okay? So before you're going to read a passage, you are going to listen to these 3 words.
Prepare for the TOEFL Junior Test. Unit 1, page 123. Exercise 5.
Now you will read a paragraph about international reading habits. First, read the passage silently. After the beep, you will have 1 minute to record your reading of the passage. The reading passage includes the following words: survey, genre, majority.
Okay, well, after that, you're going to read the passage. This is the passage, International Reading Habits. Okay, take your time to read carefully, to practice a lot, practice and practice and practice, practice the questions, the intonation. Read, be careful with the pauses after a comma, after a longer pause, after a period. And when you have a full stop and you have a different paragraph, remember to do a longer pause. So when you finish reading, you are going to record yourselves and you only have 1 minute to read the text, ¿ok? En este ejercicio van a tener solamente 1 minuto para grabarse leyendo todo este texto. Ese minuto lo van a grabar en un audio y ese audio también me lo van a enviar por separado. Por un lado la foto de la carpeta, que son poquitos ejercicios en este caso, me lo van a enviar por un lado y por otro lado tienen que agregar el audio que se van a grabar, que no puede durar más de 1 minuto leyendo este texto. Practiquen bien antes de leerlo y me van a enviar ese audio también en la misma tarea. Voy a asignar la tarea de TOEFL y ustedes en esa tarea tiene que estar la foto de la carpeta más el audio de 1 minuto leyendo este texto, ¿sí? Porque así sería en un examen de TOEFL. Uno de los ejercicios sería grabar en 1 minuto un texto de esta longitud. Okay, so that was today's class. Hope to see you in our next video conference. Bye bye.